Hello, this is Madison Parker. You're in the Echo Park booth. We're here to show you our new paper petals. These are available in March, so let me show you. Okay, so there's 3 sizes. So there's a large flower, there's a medium flower, and a small flower. And how they come. So this is the large flower package. So all the petals will go back to the flower. So let me show you on this flower, for instance. So there are smaller petals in the middle. In the very middle, there's medium size right here, and then there's large petals. So all of those are all cut, pre-packaged in this for you to make this large flower, which stands the test of time. It will not wilt, it will not die. I love it. You can make an arrangement like this. So it comes in 3 different colors and 3 different sizes. So small, medium, large, and then we have the 3 different colors. And this is Paper Petals. They're shipping in March. They're so fun. They're a must-have.
This video was filmed by Scrapbook.com at the 2018 AFCI Creativation event. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you liked this video. Happy crafting!